Agartala Chengjaka intensified malaria no sokomornani kaisa scheme abo amchai cheri naimani kaisa panda 2027 bisini bisingo malaria kakjak Bharat samnani naharbungbai kotor khlai hasteni sak hamtai nukung hamkrai naikung tai Bharat hapangni sak hamtai nukung hamkrai kokchonglai nok kathalai National Center for Vector Borne Disease Control ni kathalai saktharmungbai Agartala o nokha saltamni intensified malaria sokomormung scheme IMEP 3 no chengiri jakha 16 tarik ni simi 18 tarik July nokha saltam Raja Khorago talani kaisa habang phatarni hotelo o nangkukmani koklam panda songchajakha pandano chengri nyarwa ingi manjakha Tripura hapangni sak hamtai nukung hamkrai naikungni Secretary Kiron Gitte alaija narwai motom ingi manjakha Bharat hapangni sak hamtai nukung hamkrai kokchonglai nokni bising khobjaknai National Center for Vector Borne Disease Control ni alaija naikolphang Dr. Tonu Jain pandao koknarna thangai Kiron Gitte saka Bharat hapang tai Tripura hapang ni judakuk thwkang khe nasikmung wngkha malaria no swkaknani chophlaya karai naikolmung dati dati bemar no thaiman rwmung tai jorabai baksa saknaimung noti lukusisamung bangrwnani tai juda juda naikungbai gdaljak saktharwi hasteo malaria koprobwi tongmar rok no kisarnani saktharmungbai no kwngma samung tangjagwi tongo swkangni slai tabuk kisawi tongkha aboni bagui no malaria no sokomor suknani naharmungbai joto bemar no dati dati thaiine hanani tai nangmani saknaimungni sep sabrunani aborok no tui no kok chaplaimungni bisingo bwskang swkangnani lam romjakmani kok sai khanarakha.
Eastern states and some other states in the country are still facing the problem of malaria infections, and Government of India has been supporting us all along. In the last few years we have seen some decline in the malaria. In many districts like Tripura, we are now only left with one district, Dalai. The other districts have a normal pattern, but then the challenges remain. And with the launching of Intensified Malaria Elimination Program 3, where the target has been set to reduce the new indigenous malaria cases by 2027. So our task is cut out, and as mentioned by Sri Saju Wahi, we have taken some novel steps keeping in with the challenges of Tripura, mainly the screening during the dry season, and we have tried to control the spread of the parasite. Our field officials have shown immense commitment, and the level of testing has been increased in last few years, and we have been able to contain at least the deaths which used to occur due to malaria. But then our target should be in the rubber gardens, in the jhum cultivation areas, the areas near water bodies, where people are still getting infected with this, and there is a spread. It is also our duty to make sure that all the LLIMs, all the medicines are available in sufficient quantity, and there is a follow-up on the treatment. So I am sure that the deliberations of this review meeting will be useful in achieving the goals of IMEP 3. Once again, I would like to welcome all of you to this review meeting, and we are looking forward to the guidance by the Secretary Madam. Thank you very much.